Number 14. The results of a genetic process called crossing over are represented in the diagram. And we can see our image down here. It tells us these are homologous chromosomes. Which of the following would increase due to crossing over? So let's look at our image and figure out what crossing over is, if we don't remember. So right here we have homologous chromosomes, and remember what homologous chromosomes are. It's a set of two of the same chromosomes. You get one from dad and one from mom in the sex cells and from the egg and the sperm. And so what happens is that these homologous chromosomes get so close together that they actually touch, and pieces of the chromosome break off and switch spots. And so we can see that as we move over to this second image. The black stripe that was on mom's chromosome is now over here on dad's, and we see the same thing at the bottom. So pieces of the chromosomes broke off and swapped places. Now, this process is called crossing over, and remember that this only happens in meiosis. So what we're wondering is which of the following would increase due to crossing over? So remember that when these chromosomes break off pieces and swap, we're getting new genetic or new DNA combinations. And what that does when we have genetic combinations is it increases the diversity or the variation. Okay, so we're going to possibly have new traits or new alleles or new combinations because of crossing over. So looking at answer choices, A, the expression of dominant traits, that doesn't have anything to do with crossing over. B, the number of gametes or the number of sex cells, that doesn't have to do with crossing over. C, the occurrence of polyploidy. Okay, don't get trapped just because they put a big fancy word in there. Or D, genetic variation within the cells. We're looking for an increase. And right down here, remember we said crossing over, it increases the diversity or the variation, which is exactly what D says. So that is our correct answer.